Welcome to this gorgeous home located at 28279 Via Del Mar in San Juan Capistrano, California. This incredible home resides behind the private gated community of San Juan Hills Estates in the Campanilla development. Now, out of all these floor plans, this one's my favorite because of the open concept floor plan. So I'm currently in the kitchen, which opens to the dining room, which opens to the common room. And all these rooms seamlessly connect to the private, tranquil backyard. You're looking at a 3-bedroom, 3-bath with a loft. I do want to point out how light and bright it is in here. So you have the white cabinetry, you have a neutral palette. It's got a really uplifting vibe. So this home has been lovingly maintained. I know you're going to love it. Let's go take the tour. Love this backyard. It's so quiet back here. If you have interest in touring this home, please contact me directly. My name is Audra Lambert at 949-697-2232. Thanks for taking the tour.